So, but those of you who know me, y'all know that my content is the most random out there. I'm trying to jump on alive and show you guys what my crazy butt is out here doing at 10 o'clock at night, and I can't figure out how to make a video with this thing on my head and y'all actually see my face, and so I pull it off and now it's stuck in my hair. And so, hey y'all, Pickle Wheat here. So we had some bad weather come through, and besides all the chaos that I have going on with this light stuck in my hair and the water under my feet, and everything else about my crazy self, I am back here. We had some bad weather. Oh, I'm stuck between the fence. We had some bad weather come through, and lots of rain, y'all. Lots of rain. And our yard drains fast, but when it just keeps raining, it gets pretty high really quick. And I'm trying to relieve my pig pen back here and my chicken coop, and I'm gonna show y'all kind of what's going on. And I moved some leaves out the way, and it's kind of moving pretty fast. I'll show y'all. Let me see. And I dropped my shovel. My shovel's down here. See if I could. Oh well. Just gonna show you about how fast it's moving. But I dropped my shovel. It was going a lot faster than what it is. Oh, let's see. You can't really tell. But anyway, guys, it was freaking flooded back here. My poor pig, watch. Oh, I'm getting all stuck. Now, I got my alligator boots on. But this was, I couldn't stand back here with my extra toughs not 10 minutes ago. Looks great. I mean, it went down so much. I wish I would have jumped on before and showed you guys. But I didn't think it would go down that fast. But anyway, y'all, I am back here. Me and my pig. She's way up in her pen because poor baby was starting to get wet. Now I gotta dry her blanket. And so she's the reason why I'm back here, y'all. I saw it was getting kind of heavy outside, and I came back here to take a look at it and check on it, and sure enough. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. We either gotta raise the coop or raise the pig pen or get a lot of dirt shipped in. But you know, I just wanted to come on and show you guys. Oh look, it's moving pretty fast. Y'all see it? I don't know if y'all can see the leaves moving or not. I got the camera kind of crazy, but it's getting out of here. But I really just wanted to jump on to show you guys that, you know, sometimes when you have a crazy wife and, well, let's say girlfriend, because, you know, y'all know Joshua dragging his feet over there. Anyway, when you have a crazy girlfriend, she has livestock, and sometimes, you know, you got work in the morning, and then it's up to her to come out here and take care of it, and then she second guesses why we have chickens and a pig in the first place, you know. Let's see. These chickens. Oh no. But y'all okay? They all warm from the rain. Warm from the cold. Out of the rain. Alright, girls. We gotta clean y'all coop. It's dirty in here. Oh, hey! The little one's in here. Hey, baby. Oh. And we'll get you in the morning. I'll leave you here for now. Oh, y'all. Close that bag up. So, this is things that Pickle does late at night when everybody else is asleep. I'm out here relieving water out of my pig pen, y'all. The little tidbits in life, you know? The little tidbits. My pig is now safe and dry. She's all the way backed up in there, though. It's okay, Cuckoo. It'll dry tomorrow. Everybody's safe and sound. Water's draining. I'm going inside. Look at this hay out in this weather, y'all. Oh, Lord. I look like you, girl. What's her name? Y'all know that girl? Y'all follow her? The one that's cooking with her husband. What she calls it? She calls him sexy, and she always goes, that's what I look like with all this crazy hair. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good night. Thanks for joining me in my TED Talk. Y'all have a good one, and stay dry out there. Thank y'all for following the grain. Bye, y'all.